All right, you guys, so we're gonna start with the main floor unit. So we're looking at replacing this furnace, coil, supply plenum, return air drop, and so one of the things we want to look at doing is replace this first section, just because things have been modified. So we got a 7 by, I think it's 26 inch by 42. So we'll put a new piece on here and then start our plenum, coil, furnace, base. And then on the return drop, again, just kind of an oddball size. We'll look at getting back into 10 by 25, putting in our 5-inch filter, get the humidifier on the return, clean up all of the piping. Line set, we're gonna go ahead and replace. We were on that a lot cleaner. More than likely going high efficient, and what we'll do is probably bring our PVC and go out right over through this way. These pipes are going to be starting back here more further, so our PVC will come out this side, and I'll show you that reason why in just a second. Just clean up the wiring, obviously get into a probably a reducer and then a new T for the water heater. We may even look at replacing water heater, and if so, maybe push this up closer to the furnace and redo the water lines and gas line. Speaking of which, we got 1 inch all the way down. All we really need is 3/4 or even half to bring that down. Here's our drain, and then there's a louver door. There is no walkout. And then here's our other system looking at replacing. Flue piping runs over, goes out through here. But again, we're gonna look at, we'll bring a piece of duct up and run across, probably stop right here, and then we'll connect all of these, and that'll free up this area to get our piping out. So this one will come across and then probably jog over and go out. And same thing with the other one. We also can look at, yeah, we're not gonna get beyond that. So I'll probably be back in here for both of those. Modify our gas line. Obviously our humidifier. Actually, it does have a good valve on this one. So look at reconnecting there. And then the crawl space, we do have a vent, looks like one, maybe even another, so we don't really need to get in insulating. And I almost wanted to say keep those vents just to keep things comfortable in here. And then so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 that we need to put on a new trunk. And then here's our panels, which you got the old Federal Pacific panels, but we're going to be reducing down, so we'll put fuse disconnects outside and then we'll be okay. There is no walkout, but that's everything we're looking at for down here. So secondary system, I think this does all the bedrooms and this does the rest of the house.